Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video, today's Wednesday, is the Brewed Beauty collab that I host every Wednesday with my friends Shirts Fashion Nation and Mountain Witch Christine. I am very excited to have a new person on board on this collab. Her name is Jana. She is a fabulous lady here on YouTube that I became friends with, that I'm very excited to have and everything. And yes, so we're hoping that her granddaughter will join us on this fabulous collab. So I very am excited. So all of their links everybody on this collab will be linked down below. So today we're doing an Easter look. Today, for Easter is coming up this Sunday. So very excited about it, and yes, very excited about it. So I'm thinking about Easter. You get the pastel colors. Of course, you got everything that's pastel. When I think about Easter, I'm thinking about, of course, my Lord and Savior and everything, and Jesus Christ. So I think about that a lot. But for a lot of people that's like this is a thing that happens every year, 4 hunting eggs and get whatever they want, a chocolate bunny, a chocolate whatever they want, and everything else. But Easter is also one of those days means birth and everything else. You got the bunnies that means for fertility and all of that. But I think Mountain Witch Christine is going to explain a lot of stuff for Easter, I think, but we'll see. But right now we're just doing a makeup look because yeah, why not? So I'm bringing out a goodie out. I really want to get more from Revolution. Is their Forever Flawless palettes, and these palettes are really nice and good. And I got the soft butterfly one because I wanted more like pastel, beautiful colors like this. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna play in. So we're gonna use all the products will be down below, and make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content, and also want to be part of the Makeup Addict family. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here, and of course make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos. So all the products, like I said, will be down below. So we're gonna get okay, that's we got that out of the way. So this is quite interesting. I do want to play with this blue from the Cookies and Jewels one. A lot of people use these as a eyeshadow base, but I use these as an eyeliner because I really do like these. Like, these can work with any product. I really like these, so I am planning to get more of these because why not? And I really do enjoy them. So this is like a very I will say this, I don't think if you have a light base, this will work for dark skin tones if you have a light base. But if you're just using it with just regular eyeshadow bases that matches your skin tone, these will probably look really ashy on anybody who's like a medium to dark. So I do recommend if you use a white base, so it would be more pop and easy to work with. So I've used many of these. These have been a decent amount of mattes, so it's not a bad deal. So, but I am going to use Pupa. It's this purple shade. This is going to be a very soft look. This is going to be this is a soft butterfly palette. So you're going to get really soft looks with these. Plus you got these shimmers that can go, ooh, like that to me, like, whoa, I'm going to use Pupa because I like purple, and I think purple is one of those colors that really does a really good job. So I am going to use that. These do have a little kickback to them, so it's not so bad, but it's not very limited of fallout. As you can see, this is like, I think you can use a white shadow base, and I think that would work. And I'm thinking that's the one I end up dimming. As I see, as on my eye, I don't know if y'all can really see it or not. But I would use these shades as with other palettes because of how soft and how they are. As you can see, it's like really soft. Like, that's what I don't mind about this. I'm gonna use Larva. This pink shade right here. I'm sorry about that. This is the pink shade. Like I said, I'm going with a nice soft look. I think these colors right here will work with any palette. I will tell you the truth. I would use these with other palettes, like I said. So it's just because of how soft they are and pastel they are. Now pastels can work on anybody's skin tone depending on what you're using. You can even use, if you're using a pink base or a purple base, use it because these will need a base that isn't just like what I've just done with what I've done. But I do like these. These are really good. Okay. Like I said, it's gonna be a very soft look. So I'm thinking about using Joy. Joy is this shade right here. Yeah, this shade right here. It's a nice lavender shade with a little, I don't know. This is pretty. I like that. I really do like that. If I'm doing a really like colorful soft looks, this is like a palette I will go towards. So I am actually just gonna go ahead and just do the waterline with the Cookies and Dreams No Budge eyeshadow. This one has really no budge. I really do like these. I really recommend them very much. I am planning to get more of these, and I'm just like, yeah. Like, I don't know why is this acting up? it's like broke. Yeah. It doesn't break on me. They should be good. So I got this one doing them at Walmart when they had. To blend that and just set it a little bit. Doesn't need anything to reset, but we're gonna use it anyway. So we're gonna use Change. Kind of weird that everything just like all of a sudden light shifted. I don't know. Get like little okay. Oh, this turned out so gorgeous already. I like it when it comes like this. So we're about to lose my voice here again. I'll be right back with the finished look. I I love the purple, I love the pink, I like the blue. This is like more Easter spring look for me. Anyway, I like to go with soft colors when it comes to Easter. Even though I'm wearing a dark shirt, but you know what, I don't care. Content and everything will see more looks like this. And of course, if you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, we are drama-free and judgment-free. We welcome everybody, so make sure to hit the subscribe button. And of course, make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified new videos I upload. I do go live every Monday for Monday morning at 10 a.m. and for Friday with my friend Char's Fashion Nation. We call it Freaky Friday, and it's at 9 p.m. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you. And make sure, check out the ladies and welcome Jana and then to be her granddaughter, Erica. So all their links will be down below. And yeah, I love you and see you later. Bye!